When the sunshine makes an appearance, it's time to dust off your sunglasses with this fantastic Twinkl Teaches lesson, perfect for Sun Awareness Week. As much as we love the sun, we know that it can be dangerous if we're not prepared for it. Get yourself ready with this sun safety lesson from Twinkl Teacher Miriam.
Hi everyone, it's Miriam from Twinkl. Today we're going to be learning about sun awareness and how to stay safe when we're in the sun.
Miriam helps children to understand what is good about the sun and what can be dangerous about it. She then shows children what they can do to make sure that they're staying safe in the sun. And just in case you're finding it tricky to remember, she has a brilliant song to help you.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, out we go in the sun. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, make sure sun cream is applied.
To watch our lesson videos, simply search for Twinkl Teaches before selecting your subject and key stage. Alternatively, you can scroll down on the Twinkl website and select online lesson videos. Now you can browse our growing collection. So what are you waiting for? Head over to Twinkl to download this lesson now. See you next time!